5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 leaves.
13 leaves.
When do you think they're going to shoot?
And this one have 4.5 feet. That is nearly to shoot. I think in 2 more weeks it's shooting. But that baby going to give at least 1 9 hands.
And I can see.
And the good thing is the amount of fingers in the hand. For example, in some before I starting in the last hand, normally I have 14 to 16 fingers in the hand. Okay. Right now I achieve 18 fingers in the last hand, in the apical hand.
In the apical hand. Oh, wow.
That's when I start to see that. For me, it's important because most of my packs or the food I export to Europe, I doing in packs of finger per bag. That means the small banana or the small hand of banana having more. When I cluster in the fruit, I can divide 1/18. I can do 2 or 3 bags for every hand. Okay. And really that is one of my biggest improvement in this one. This 28 at 30% of production I increase is because I feel this last hand, these 18 fingers.
Tell me, you have improved your box stem ratio from your average for your farm by how much?
Well, I took this farm with 65 of box stem ratio in 1999. Okay. Right now I be in average of 80-85 of box stem ratio.
Right.
I took this farm with 650 boxes per acre, and right now I reaching 850 boxes per acre.
Okay.
In 1 year I get 1017, but that year is a little particular because be the second year after the hurricane. And we have a natural curve with more bunches in this one. But in a natural curve, natural year of the farm, I reaching between 850 to 900 boxes per acre.
That's 18 kilogram boxes.
18 kilogram, 18 kilo box.
Tell me, return. How fast is your return now on this near treated farm?
Well,
how many harvests per year per mat?
Normally, I get 143 until 1.5. The returning I get in the farm. When we start this farm with a return of 1.1.
Okay.
Some year would be only 1.
Okay.
Even and my first goal I get the natural returning 1.3. Okay. Natural returning is almost give this cycle in 9 months. Okay. 9 months of the 12. When I start to have all the program in place, I start to gain 1 more month. That means it's 8 months of the cycle complete is doing it in 8 months. That means it's 1.5.
1.5.
That is the maximum I can achieve.
Here.
I can achieve for blocks 1.5, but in average it's around 145. Okay. The returning I get in this farm.